Hello guys, may washing dito guys, na kahit nakasira, naka-off yung drain guys, ay malabas pa rin yung tubig dito sa yung drainage guys. Kaya tingnan natin, buksan natin yung likod ng washing guys. Ito makikita natin guys, ito ang adjust ng kanyang drain. Buksan natin ito guys, baka may naka bara guys. Kaya buksan natin guys. Tingnan natin kung may ito na guys. Off na. Ito guys, tingnan natin baka may nakabara guys na. Ayan guys, ito guys, ito pala yung nakabaran guys, kaya hindi sumisira yung drain guys. Kunin natin yung rubber yan, malabas yung tubig dito sa washing guys. Ito nakabara guys, yung lumalabas to. Salamat guys.